she and them, they should be able to see them like from their backyard.
So she isn't here.
Well, come on, and them, if they were here, they could see them from the backyard. They don't have big trees in their back.
I could technically see it from my backyard. If I sit in my window like I normally do.
That's what we should have did. We should have just went upstairs and sat in the window in your room.
No, I literally sit in my window.
No, don't sit in your window like that.
You ready? We're done.
Huh?
It's done.
You think so?
Yeah. Seriously?
Thank you.
Seriously.
Turn it off.
What's up?